Hello and thank you for watching today's unboxing video. Today we have the Maxima 4-wheel mobility scooter by Pride Mobility. It comes in a big box with some pallet straps. You'll need a knife. Go ahead and cut the pallet straps. Pry open the box. Be careful with the staples. The chair does come in a separate box. You can get a variety of different sizes for the chairs. And we're going to show you how to take the scooter out of the box today. It's very straightforward, comes pretty much fully assembled. All you need to do is just drop the seat right in. No tools are required. As you can see, the scooter comes in a plastic wrapping. We wanted to show you the tiller adjustment lever before we lift it up because it's kind of hard to lift up unless you know where it is. So as you can see, right in the middle on the back side of the tiller, you'll see that lever. You want to get under there with your hand, pull that lever into the upward position, and that's going to allow you to lift the tiller up so that you can continue unboxing the scooter and removing the styrofoam block that's there to protect the base of the scooter and not let the tiller slam against it while it's being shipped. In that piece of styrofoam under the tiller, you're going to find the user manual. Keep that handy, put it to the side. The keys are in that bag, and you're going to find some adjustment pins in there as well. Now on the footboard there, you're going to find a box with the battery charger. This does require a pretty heavy-duty charger because it is a heavy-duty unit with big batteries. Charge the unit overnight when you first get it. It's very important to do that to train the batteries. We're going to go ahead and show you how to take this scooter out of the box. You will need 2 people. It is a very heavy unit. We're going to go ahead and rotate the box and begin to prepare to take it out of the box. You will notice on each of the 4 corners of the box there are some 90-degree cardboard rails which are going to be used to protect the corners of the box so that nothing can really damage the unit while it's in transit. As well as with all the styrofoam protection, these units come pretty well protected during the shipping process. At this point, once you have the scooter unbagged and the cardboard corners removed, you can just pick the sides of the box straight up. As you can see, the outside walls are actually separate from the base and it comes right off. So the lid and the outside walls will just come straight up. At this point, we're taking the plastic wrap and we're basically unwrapping it while it's on the styrofoam block there. Again, this is a very heavy unit. You can grab it from the bumper in the back, and then in the front there's actually a steel handle which is built into the frame, and that's where you're going to want to go ahead and pick up with 2 people. The back side's a little bit heavier. We only had 2 people, so it was a little bit tricky for us, but hopefully if you have a third hand, you can go ahead and do what we just did there, lift up the scooter and then get the styrofoam blocks out of it. One thing you are going to need to do is remove the blue shroud cover. You can just pull outwards on the left and right side towards the footboards and lift straight up. That's going to allow you to expose the batteries, and the 2 connectors that are black and white with the orange labels need to be plugged in. That's the only thing you need to do. Other than that, you don't really need to do much except turn the keys on. On the right hand and the left hand side, you're going to have the blinker, green button, the horn button, and then you also have some switches for the lights to turn on your headlights and your hazard lights. Remember earlier we showed you the tiller adjustment switch so you can bring the tiller closer to you or further away from you. This scooter has an excellent ground clearance, very big tires. It has a 3 1/4 inch ground clearance, anti-tip wheels. It's a very stable unit, very sturdy. All you need now is to put the seat on. We're not going to show you that part because you can get several different seats, but in the rear there is a automatic brake to put the unit into freewheel mode. To disengage the freewheel mode, you can push down or pull up on the freewheel lever knob, which is pretty unique. One thing to note is that all the seat options do come with width adjustable and height adjustable armrests. They are also flip-up armrest. The seat also has a pouch on the back, and it will come standard with a 50-inch lap seat belt. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, or drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.